Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you're fine. So today we will discuss the next topic of chapter Natural Vegetation and Wildlife. So as far we have read about many topics in this chapter, now we are here to discuss the third part of this chapter. So let's start without any wastage of time. But I want to say that please subscribe to the channel, hit the like button and share the link of the channel and link of the video if you liked. So let's move. So as far we have discussed about tropical deciduous forest, tropical rainforest. Now we are here to discuss temperate evergreen forest. So temperate evergreen forests are located in the mid-latitudinal coastal region. They are commonly found in the eastern margin of the continent. So here comes an important line. Let me mark it. They are commonly... Oh, please 1 second. I think I should speak it and let me underline the important keyword here. Important keyword here is eastern margin of the continent. They are commonly found along the eastern margin of the continent. Okay. So now, after this, we have examples where these are found: Southeast USA, South China, and in Southeast Brazil. They comprise both hardwood trees and softwood trees like oak, pine, eucalyptus. Okay, here some points are there. Let me tell you the important points in this full paragraph of temperate evergreen forest. Now let's move forward. But wait, I promised you to tell you about temperate evergreen forest main points. So main points here are: they are found in mid-latitudinal coastal region. They are commonly found eastern margin, and the places where they are found are Southeast China, Southeast Brazil, and Eastern China. Okay, so the main trees found here are oak, pine, eucalyptus. Okay, so let's move forward. Let me tell you the names of the animals which are found here are. So now let's move with temperate deciduous forest. Yes, as we go towards higher latitude, there are more temperate deciduous forests. So let me tell you an important and some amazing fact about temperate deciduous forest. So everyone knows our country, India. They know many things about the country. Do you know the 65% 1 second, let me tell you the fact. 65% of India are being covered by temperate deciduous forest. You will be thinking, how? Yes, 65% of India is being covered by temperate deciduous forest. Oh, it's important, or it's been very shocking fact. Yes. So now let's move with next topic. Yes, one thing I also want to tell you that there is no more difference between temperate and deciduous forest. And one, the fact I told you that both comprises temperate deciduous forest and the tropical deciduous forest. They both come together to form 65% of India's full area. So now let's move to Mediterranean vegetation. But we have not read the full full paragraph. So let's study that and then we will move. As we go to higher latitude, there were more temperate deciduous forests. These are found in the northern eastern part of USA, China, New Zealand, and Chile or Chile, and also found in the coastal region of Western Europe. So we have read that tropical deciduous forests are found in India. I told you that both come together to form, but there are tropical deciduous forests in the majority. Okay, what does majority mean? Majority means more than half percent. Okay, 50%. Okay, and now till here we have discussed that temperate deciduous forests are found in high latitudinal regions, and they have more. They are grown in the high means where the temperature is high. The temperate deciduous forests are found. Now, the countries where they are found in the northeastern margin of USA, China, New Zealand, and Chile or Chile. And they are found in the coastal western region of Europe. Okay, so they shed their leaves in the dry season. The common trees are oak, ash, beech, deer, foxes, wolves are the common animals found here. Birds like pheasants and monarchs are found. Okay, so we know that the temperate deciduous forests have oak, ash, beech in them, and deer, foxes, wolves are animals which are found here, and birds like pheasants and monarchs are found. Okay, so now let's move to Mediterranean vegetation. Yes, so I told you about pheasants and monarchs. What are pheasants and monarchs? These are the types of plant. These are the types of what? There are types of birds, and you can see in the picture. This bird is monarch. Pheasant. Let me show once again. One second. Yes, this is pheasant. Okay, you can see in the picture. This is the pheasant, and the picture which is downside to the pheasant as monarch. Okay. Now let's move to next topic, Mediterranean vegetation. But let's firstly read. Do you know Mediterranean trees adapt themselves to dry summer with the help of their thick barks and wax coated leaves, which help to reduce transpiration. We have discussed transpiration in the previous class, and now we know that Mediterranean trees have thick barks and waxy coated leaves to reduce the transpiration. Everyone knows transpiration, yeah? Okay. The second fact is Mediterranean region are called orchards of the world because there are fruit cultivation here. Which fruits? Oranges, figs, and grapes. So you have to remember this fact. Mediterranean region is also known as orchards of the world. What are orchards? Orchards are like lemon, oranges, and figs, etc. These come in the category of orchards. Okay. So now let's move forward to Mediterranean vegetation. We have discussed these facts. Now we are going to discuss the full paragraph. You have learned that most of the east and northeast margins of the continents are covered by temperate evergreen forest and temperate deciduous forest. The west and southwest of the margin of the continents are different. They have Mediterranean vegetation. In mostly found in the areas around Mediterranean seas in the Europe, Africa and Asia, hence the name. This kind of vegetation is also found outside the actual Mediterranean region in the California in the USA, Southwest Africa, and Southeastern and South America, and Southwest Australia. Okay, so now let me tell you the meaning of this full paragraph. In this paragraph, they have told about that they are found in the western and south, the margins of the continent. As we know, south, from this line, we come to know that east and northeast margins of the continents are covered by temperate deciduous forest and temperate evergreen forest, and west and the southwest margins of the continent are generally with Mediterranean vegetation. Let me tell you an important and interesting fact that we know that the summers are rainy and the winters are dry, but in Mediterranean vegetation area, the full summers are they are dry, and the winters are rainy. So we have different climate in the Mediterranean vegetation. Okay, so now let's discuss the next paragraph of this full Mediterranean vegetation. So these have hot dry summers and mild rainy winters. I told you about this. Now only citrus fruits such as oranges, figs, olives, grapes are commonly cultivated here. Oranges, figs, and these have citric acid in them. We will discuss about that in acid, bases, and salts. Citrus food which are heavy. They contain the vitamin C, and people come here to grow the full. They produce most of the orchards of the full world. Okay, so now let's move towards the coniferous forest. After this coniferous forest, we have grasslands, and then some but shrubs. We are going to read about them. Okay, so now let's move to coniferous forest. In the higher latitude 50 to 70 degree of the northern hemisphere, the spectacular coniferous forests are found. These are called taiga. Yes, here comes the very important line, which is these are called taiga. Okay, 1 second guys, there is a problem. So now we have important fact here. Let me draw it for you. These are called taiga. Guys, there will be a very big confusion to you between taiga and tundra. We are going to read tundra term in the next coming paragraphs. So taiga, you have to always remember taiga is used for coniferous forest. This is the another name of coniferous forest, and they are found in the 50 to 70 degree of northern hemisphere. There are trees like we have not read about Salimas, but they said that they have visited the Himalayas where these types of forests are found. So these are found in the top of the earth and Antarctica, which is lower. So we can say that they are found in the top and the lower both. And they contain cheer pine and sajar, important trees, and silver fox, mink, polar bear are common animals found here. Okay. So now the topic grasslands we will discuss in another video. I don't want to make this video too long that you would be bored, but we will end this video here only. Bye bye. Please like the video, share the video, and subscribe to the channel. Bye bye. Thank you.